Hey guys, I just received this new outdoor portable speaker from Anchor called the Soundcore Motion 300. Let's check it out. So this is the Soundcore Motion 300 by Anchor. So yeah, let's take a look inside the box. So here's the device itself. This is the speaker. There's the instructions. And then also a USB-C cable to charge it. So yeah, let's go see how this thing works. Help elevate your outdoor audio experience with the Soundcore's wireless high-res sound. Delivering crisp, high-fidelity sound in a small and compact design. And with Bluetooth, you can connect multiple devices simultaneously, making it perfect for partying outside or indoors, especially with its handy strap. The speaker's exclusive adaptive technology automatically adjusts to the direction and orientation of the speaker to deliver the best sound directly to wherever you are in any scenario. With its powerful 30-watt stereo sound in the palm of your hand, you don't have to sacrifice sound quality when you're on the go. And it has an impressive 13 hours of playback time, so you can keep the music going all day and night without needing to recharge it. Also, when you connect it to the downloadable app, you can further customize the EQ and other settings to better fit your preferences. The speaker is designed to withstand any elements outside, with an IPX7 waterproof rating, which lets you enjoy your music wherever you are and wherever your adventures take you.
For the party, but don't like the crowds. Show 'em all what I'm about. Yeah, I got.
So yeah, I definitely recommend the Soundcore Motion 300. Check it out today.